Angeles native, you probably know what road this is. If I'm not mistaken, this is the same road that Smoking Tire does all of their car reviews on. So I'm super fucking excited. It's honestly gonna be my first time really driving the Benz. I drove it I kind of pushed it on the drive. I got it in Vegas and then drove it to Phoenix and then LA. So that was like a nice, what, 10 to 12 hours. A lot of straight roads, but it's just not as fun as like a twisty-turvy. So I'm excited. This is my first time on this Angeles Crest little highway. So I'm excited to see what's in store for us, man. Truth be told, I've only really stepped on the gas, like pedal to the metal, all the way down, only a certain amount of times. So maybe twice. So it's gonna be lit. Oh wait, I'm in the wrong lane, fuck me. Car's warmed up. It was like a 30-minute drive over here. We got almost a full tank of gas. And I'm ready. Amazing. We maybe did catch it at an inopportune time though. It is motherfucking 3:56, 4 p.m. So hopefully we get another hour before everyone really gets off of work, but I might have fucked myself. I heard the weekends is not the time to go. You gotta go on a weekday. But there's pretty much only like 2 or 3 hours out of the weekdays where you're not supposed to go. And I think I'm going to at that time. But fuck it. We'll get some open roads ahead of us and we'll have some fun. Just an idea of the kind of road that we got ahead of us. We got some winds, man. We got some winds, turns. It's looking beautiful. Oh, we're in it now. Ooh,
oh my God,
what a view. Ooh, taking a photo there would be sick too. Then there's literally no traffic on their way back. That's crazy. All these people are just going places. They gotta go home. They just got caught at the wrong time behind that little Maxima up there. What a shame. There's like a group of like just 7 of us going slowly. Nice little thumbnail going, I'd say. Oh, now all these cars want to come. Let's see how far we can go. Bet you that's a good little thumbnail. New carbon fiber little diffuser. It sounded nice too. Let's get it, man. No! Let them do their thing for like a minute. No! The Prius. That's the worst. I wonder what head start we need. Like 30 seconds or something, you know? Because I'm going to catch up to that motherfucking Prius for sure. Nice. We're getting some good time right here. Hell yeah. Oh, here comes a car. Let's do it. Reviews cars and talks at the same time. This is wild. He goes way faster than me too. What a freak. Oh, there's a Taycan right behind me. Woo-hoo-hoo! Taycan, and there's a Beamer. doing its thing right now. There's the Prius. I knew I'd catch up to it. We're pretty much at the end of it anyway. Damn, that was lit. That was lit. I think we only went up about halfway too. There was definitely a lot more room to go in it. But shit, good little solid first video, man. First canyon run. You know, we're gonna have to hit it at, I think, the morning times on the weekdays when we don't have to really worry about all these guys, and you know what I mean, we can get it a little bit crazier. Shout out to the Taycan behind me. Just amazing times. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Just a short one. We got more coming, I promise. All right, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace.